Welcome to another demo series of Biz Data Product Solutions. Today we will take a look at how eZintegrations product will help us integrate a source to target seamlessly. To begin with, let us understand the product overview of eZintegrations. The eZintegrations product is a secured seamless integration framework that enables transfer of data between source to target systems with easy to configure steps. We use secure APIs and other means of inbound-outbound access provided by enterprise applications to enable this integration. With this robust framework, the possibility of integration within enterprise are endless. A few key unique value propositions of eZintegrations are: it doesn't use any intermediate staging for transforming the incoming data. These transformations happen in real time and on the go, making it more secure option as compared to traditional integration solution. It uses minimum coding, hence resulting in almost accurate and error-free transfers. It is very less dependent on technology and more focuses on the business process, enabling and business user to define the integration by themselves with minimum intervention from IT. Provides an overview about the transfer using near real-time dashboards giving an overview of the success and failures in the integration process. Traditionally, to set up any integration system, it involved a lot of effort going into the process, right from extracting data from source, set up tools and utilities for transformation, enabling web service endpoints, configuring business rules, data modeling, map the source with target data, etc., which are dependent on various teams within the enterprise pushing the go-live dates further, which comes down to approximately 12 weeks of effort. With eZintegrations, we have a ready-to-use integration product which requires configuration of the source and target endpoints based on business process and making the go-live almost up to 5 to 6 times faster with lesser things to worry about. Let's quickly dive into the application and have a look at an integration scenario where we integrate an idea coming in from an email into innovation management application. Let us log into the eZintegration application now. As we spoke earlier, we see here we have multiple sources available from which we can get the data for integration. Using the REST API and SOAP source framework, we can get data from almost any enterprise application providing access to APIs. It involves configuration of source, configuration of target, and then creation of an integration bridge service to enable the integration service. To begin with, we configure a source from where we fetch data. In this case, we go for source as email client. Once we open the email source and create a new source, we name the source as per need. On the Input tab, define the email ID for reading emails, mail server parameters and credentials required for the host client. Check interval defines the periodic time interval to check the incoming email in the inbox. For example, if check interval is defined as 10, integration service will check the inbox every 10 seconds for new email and post them as idea to Oracle Cloud application. Under Operations tab, we can define any data transformation operations that needs to be applied to incoming data. Then save the source. Next, we configure the target system, which is MySQL database. Here we can see some of the targets that we can configure to migrate data to. Similar to source, using MySQL, we can push the incoming data to the respective target enterprise application. Once we open the MySQL target, we need to configure the target. Click on Add. Choose a target name as per need, and select target type as MySQL. On the Input tab, provide host name, port number and other database details. and then click on Save. Once source and target are created, we can create a service to enable integration between the source and target. Click on Integration Bridge. To start a new service, click on Add. Provide a service name. Choose source and target as defined earlier. Map the source columns with target columns. Once you are done with mapping, save the integration service. Now to initiate the integration service, click on Start button. Currently, idea table in the MySQL database for the innovation repository is empty. After integration service starts running, in browser open Mail and login with sender email address. Create a test email to send to the source email configured earlier. The subject is the idea name and body will be idea description. Then click on Send. Once email is sent, open the MySQL target database. Here ideas sent through the email has been received in a structured format. For better understanding, let's compose another email for the same recipient. Now, the running service will capture the data sent through email and stores it in MySQL database. Similarly, we can create seamless integrations between two systems. For more info, log on to www.bizdata360.com/products/eZintegrations. Thanks for watching.